Hi everyone, my name is Amadasala. You can call me Decipels. In this video, I'll be showing you how to properly use the Ordinary Squalene Cleanser. So this is a squalene based face cleanser and makeup remover. So this is usually the first step in your skincare routine. So before I get into the application and before I get to show you how to properly use this product, it is very important that you don't use this product on a broken skin. And also make sure that your face is really dry before you apply this on your face. Personally, I like to wash my face first with black soap or just like a gentle soap before going in with a cleanser. So most importantly, make sure your face is very dry. So now that my face is dry, so I'm gonna take just a little bit of this product. So I'm gonna melt this product on my fingertips for like about 10 to 30 seconds. So this allows the product to melt into an oil. So now I'm going to massage this on my face. This is a cleanser. It's a very gentle cleanser, so it's very safe to put it under your eyes. You know, just make sure you rub on everywhere. It's a very gentle cleanser. So now I'm going to wash off with warm water. So now that my face is rinsed, I'll go on to dry my face. If you're new to my channel, I always use a paper towel to drop my face. I don't like to use my body towel for my face. So that's it. That's how you use the Squalene cleanser. So if you also want to see how to use other products from The Ordinary, you can check the playlist The Ordinary. I have videos explaining how to use the Ordinary niacinamide, the Ordinary salicylic acid mask, among others. I'll keep uploading more videos on how to use the Ordinary product. So please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bells so that you do not miss any of my videos. Thank you so much guys for watching.